Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these quinoa bars. We're going to need a mixing bowl, peanut butter, cinnamon, baking soda, a cup and a half of quinoa, a half a cup of chia seeds, some chocolate chips, pecans, rolled oats, this maple syrup, coconut oil, and 3 smashed bananas. First we're going to start off with the dry ingredients. So first I'm using the quinoa. And then I'm going to add the chia seeds and mix those together. Next, I'm going to add the rolled oats. And then the chopped pecans. Next, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of cinnamon, half a tablespoon of baking soda, and then I used 3 bananas and I just smashed those beforehand, and preferably if you can have them ripe, then that would be much better. And then I'm gonna add the spoonful of peanut butter and then just mix everything together again. And here I'm adding the maple syrup. I used a low-calorie syrup, so it's obviously doesn't have that many calories as regular maple syrup, but it's up to you if you want to use a regular one, but this one was fine for me. Next, I'm going to use coconut oil, and I put wax paper, and then I lined it with wax paper too, just so it's easier to take it out once it's done baking. And I'm just going to put everything in there and then smoothly I preheated the oven to 360, and once the batter is all nice and straight, you can go ahead and add the chocolate chips. You can also add coconut flakes or anything that you think you might like on top of it. It's fine. And you're going to bake it in the oven for about 25 minutes.